Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper we have on Tuesday June the 28th 2022 one regular puzzle, Sudoku Medium, and there is also an additional with extra puzzles. Tuesday, June the 28th, yes. 7 puzzles: letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So, total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. And also, I will solve this medium Sudoku Medium regular puzzle, yes. And the news of today, yes, the news, Tuesday, June the 28th. There's a tornado in Holland. Wow, this one, yes. Let me show you. Tornado. It's well, in Holland, maybe 1 or 2 times a tornado here. It's not. It's very rare. Yeah, it's happened. So the climate is changing. All right, let's go back to the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number. Let me zoom this. This will be number 4765. Oh, 4765. Let me. 4765. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Alright. How about let me see. The 7 in this row. The 7 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. Okay, I cannot continue with the 7. Let me pick another digit. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this column. So no 4 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those. 4 and a 9. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this middle row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Then. How about yes, these 2 boxes. In the second row, we have 4 missing numbers in the second row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in this big square. So no 8 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in the first column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this row? The second row, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column, middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 and 8 in this third row, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 6. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6 again. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Alright. Okay. How about we have a pair, 4 and a 5 in the first column, 4 and a 5 in the second column. So in the column next, the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. Alright. Okay. We have a pair again. 4 and a 5 in this row, 4 and a 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes in the middle row. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. Alright. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 goes here, and the 7 goes there. Yes. Alright, 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 7. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. 1 box left in this column. The first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1. All right. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a pair. All right. Let me drink something. Okay. Need to pause. Okay, 11 minutes already passed. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this last column. The 1 and the 6. I've marked this 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be 6. Then. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column. No 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. All right. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes in there. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this last row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is double 6. No. We have a 6 here. 6, 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. Almost made the mistake. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 15 to 20 minutes I've indicated for 2 stars. Well, it's definitely a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later with the other 4 puzzles. Yes, 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.